we've all been waiting for. I'm with MS Congeniality in Bay St. Louis, Mississippi. We are recording our episode here where we are going to, as you say,
pimp my porch.
pimp her porch. We're about to get started. We're in the middle of filming her episode, and we're getting a little bit of video for us too. So you ready to get started with the episode?
I am absolutely ready.
I'm
Are
excited.
you?
Yes, I'm ready. I've seen all this stuff that we have posted on Instagram with all the cool things that you've bought for the porch, and I'm excited about seeing how it all looks when it's put together.
It has been so
awesome.
hard to not put it together without you.
I'm glad you had to put it together. I hate assembling furniture. All I have to do is just pull it out of your house and do the easy part. You already did the hard part.
Well, I didn't break a nail, so we're good.
Bye.